Welcome, brave heart. This is a space for you to breathe, to reconnect with your inner light, and to remember that no matter what you're facing, hope lives within you. Inhale peace. Exhale fear. Now let these words sink into your heart. Let them awaken the spark that's always been inside you. You don't have to do anything. Just listen, receive, and trust. I choose hope even when the path is unclear. If everything feels paused, remember, alignment takes time, and timing is sacred. Not every change is meant to be seen right away. I trust that something beautiful is unfolding, even if I cannot see it yet. Even when the surface is still, deep waters are shifting. I am stronger than the fear that tries to cloud my vision. Within me lives a quiet, steady flame of hope. I open my heart to miracles I cannot yet imagine. I am supported by the universe in unseen and loving ways. No storm lasts forever. Even in darkness, I am growing. Every day brings a new chance to begin again. My story is still being written, and the next chapter holds promise. I give myself permission to believe in better days. Just because it's quiet doesn't mean nothing is happening. The pause is not a void, it's preparation. I trust the process of life. I have walked through pain before, and I have risen. The world still holds beauty, and I am part of it. Hope lives in me, always. Let these words echo in your spirit. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are not lost. You are unfolding. Hold hope close. Let it carry you forward. And whenever you need, return to these words. They are yours to keep. You are worthy of light. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of a future filled with love. Thank you for being here. And thank you for not giving up.